If you ever have a problem with your daytime running lights not working, if you don't know what they are, it's when you turn your switch on and your headlights come on automatically. They're called DRL, or daylight running lights, or day running lights. Anyway, you get the point. If you ever have a problem with them, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be this. It's called a diode. Go to junkyard, get you one. Probably let you have it. Swap that out, no problem. Could be a relay under the dash. 9 times out of 10 is not. You get old, just go to junkyard, get you one out of old van, Astro van, 1999 Astro van. Unplug it right here, hook the diode up, put it back in. And I'm gonna give you a broad shot of where it's located. Right behind the driver's seat. 99 Astro van. Take the side console off. 10mm bolt. Take it off. Unplug it. Put a new one in, or another one in. Screw it back in. Should solve your problem. 99.9% of the time, that's what it is.